Well, Lars is standing by, but we'll have Lars later on the program. For now, let's head to the market where Will Ibong. Will, you were not here yesterday. Thankfully, Anita was able to stand in for you. I think you had to cover an event. But how's the market looking intraday?
Oh, well, we're seeing positive signs at intraday. Hopefully, we don't have that. I know you don't want to believe.
I don't believe.
I know, but
I don't believe
but,
in the market
but take a moment and think about this, Ini. Yesterday there was a pause with the market closed flat. So I think there's just a breather, a pullback, like this, stand line, and it's like we're gonna go up.
You think because you're wearing a green?
Oh yes, and that's why I'm wearing a green today. Today is gonna rub off on the market. It's gonna mirror. The market's gonna mirror this positive sentiment and the color that I have on today. So just keep your fingers crossed.
The market color, yes?
Yes, yes, I do. Well, we're just going to go straight to the market. It's just not going to make me say or commit myself to how the market is going to close today. But major equities in Africa were trading with mostly positive sentiments at intraday. Nigeria's NGX showing signs of a rebound at intraday after closing flat in Wednesday's trading session. Now we see it up 0.11% at intraday, still at 98,000 points, still climbing. We're hoping it hits 99, and we're hoping it closes in the green today. Now South Africa, however, at intraday was in the red, down 0.19%. Elsewhere, Egypt's EGX 30 is up marginally at intraday at 0.04%. Now it's at 25,000 points. Analysts predicted that correction was going to go to 26, but now we're seeing it at 25. We're hoping that this positive sentiment returns to the market and keeps going up. Kenya's closed Wednesday's session in the green, 1.14%. Now we're going to check out what's driving intraday activities at the NGX. And joining us is Mr. Krufi Garba. He's the Chief Executive Officer, APT Securities Limited. Mr. Garba, it appears the bearish momentum has subsided for a bit as we see this rebound at intraday.
Yes, of course. And we expect this to continue up to the end of the week.
So what's going on? What's driving this sentiment? Can you just tell us the stocks that are moving the market at intraday? What's really giving this boost to investors right now?
The result displayed by most of the banks for their first quarter shows serious improvement, particularly the GT. GT traded as low as 33, but quickly after declaring their Q1, it went as high as 41. And currently it's trading at 40, is likely to go back to 41 or thereabove. The same thing applied to the Dennis, the same thing applied to UBA and the rest of the stocks. So most of the Q1 that were released were very, very impressive, and that gives confidence to the investors to come back and start taking position. And this is what we are witnessing in the market, and we are expecting this to continue up to the end of the week.
So we're also seeing something going on with Nigerian Breweries. They lost about 1 naira at intraday when I checked, and over 200 million units of its stocks have been traded and currently at 23 naira. What's going on there?
Well, Nigerian Breweries is not news to us. If you remember, during the COVID, traded as low as 19 naira, but quickly rebounds back to almost 66 naira. So the intraday that we witnessed today is not unusual to Nigerian Brewery. But in most cases, people are taking position because even though they declare loss for 2023, we are expecting to see a positive result for 2024. So in view of that, people are taking position. And remember, this is the lowest price ever for the year and even the previous year. So we expect rebounding back in the Nigerian breweries as well as the Guinness, and so also to other manufacturing companies.
So what are the stocks right now? If you look at the market, what stocks are investors looking at? Are they buying? Are they selling off? What stocks do you see investors trading currently at intraday?
Currently, you see that the investors are trading more of the financial sector, banking in particular. If you look at GT has gained, Dennis have gained, UBA have gained, Sterling Bank have gained. And we are expecting more other banks are likely going to gain as they release their first quarter. Even First Bank today gained. So these are the most liquid stock. You can trade millions. So in terms of volume, in terms of value, they are number one. And that is the stock that every dealing broker is proud of. because you hardly get any broker without trading of this. The other one is the manufacturing sectors. If you look at it, Transcorp is bounced back, and we're expecting to see the same with the rest of the other manufacturing bank, the Nigerian Breweries, the Nestle. So most of these are likely going to rebound back. And once this rebounds back, the market will go up for that.
So we're also seeing, that was the day before yesterday or so. Yesterday we saw some insider trading going on, Access Holdings, UBA. Is this move just to solidify investors' confidence in the companies, or what other thoughts do you have, Mr. Kofi?
It's the new rules. Before, you don't know when the insider trading were taking place because there is no platform to report it. Now there is a platform that you report it. Insider trading keep on being reflected in the market. But what does that mean? It shows you the confidence of the insider on the company. Remember last year, when the insider trading of Transcorp, some of them have started taking Transcorp 3 naira. What happened to Transcorp? Before you know it, went as high as even 16 naira. What it shows you that the insider who know in and out of the company have confidence of the company and deciding. But don't forget there is vested interest. Vested interest are those that are being rewarded because of the performance. Seblat have did it last year, and today we are witnessing it in Access Bank. And we are expecting more companies to borrow from them because rewarding the management, they are the key drivers of most of these companies. And if they can be rewarded in share form, it shows that they come to stay, and therefore it's better for all the investors because when there is good performance, it goes across the board. But the management, who are the key drivers, are being rewarded by the share. So vested interest has been declared by about 7 management staff of the Access Bank. I remember last year about 3 management staff of Seblat were rewarded. And you see what Seblat did for the 2023. So we expect a reputation in across the board, and we are expecting other companies that have not had this kind of policy should incorporate this policy whereby the management are being vested interest and rewarded with the shares where they have finished the threshold. Because there is a certain threshold given to the management. When they achieve them, they will be rewarded. And that's what happened. As regard to the UBA, it's purely insider trading because they use their own money to acquire more holding. And what does that mean? It shows you that the management have more confidence of that company. We have witnessed it last year for Transcorp, so we are not surprised to witness it for the UBA. Remember, even earlier this year, around April, we have seen the insider trading for the Transcorp Power. So across the board, it's a welcome development, and it gives the investors confidence that this company come to stay, and this company have confidence that they will do more better.
Okay, speaking of confidence, is the market going to close in the green or red? Just one word, Mr. Kofi.
It is going to close in green.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much, Mr. Kofi Garba, CEO, APT Securities Limited. We're going to hold you to that word. I want that green close. I'm rooting for it, and we're going to look forward to it. Thank you so much.